Welcome. If you're looking to switch your Pinterest mobile app to light mode, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the updated steps to make your Pinterest experience brighter and easier on the eyes during the day. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your profile and settings. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can manage your account preferences. Once you're on your profile, look for the option called Account Management and tap on it. This section contains various settings related to your Pinterest account. Inside Account Management, find and tap on App Theme. Here you'll see different theme options available for the Pinterest app. Finally, select Light from the list of themes. This will immediately apply the light mode to your Pinterest app, giving it a bright, clean look that's perfect for well-lit environments. And that's it. You've successfully switched Pinterest to light mode on your mobile device. If you ever want to switch back to dark mode or explore other themes, just follow the same steps and choose the option you prefer. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed Pinterest experience with light mode.